Hello everyone. Our cash register can seamlessly integrates with our kitchen display system KDS. Now let me show you how to use it. This is a dual screen cash register. When the customer comes to dine, the cashier choose the table number and the number of diners, select the menu of customer needs, cash or credit card payment, discount, etc., and click checkout after confirmation. The receipt shows the order number. After the customer has checked out. After the order is placed, the order information will both appear on the kitchen display system, KDS, and the front desk queue display. When the food is ready in the kitchen staff double-clicks to delete the order number on the KDS touchscreen monitor. At the same time, the order number on the front desk queue screen will be transferred from the left making list to the right please pick up the meal list. The front desk cashier or customer scans the barcode on the receipt, and pick up the meal. Then the order number will disappear from the please pick up the meal list, and the order process is completed. The entire process is finished, very easy and convenient.